Hey everyone, so since I still haven't gotten my package from Ulta, um, I found out on Friday it's very interesting that the Pantone colors of the year are, well, it's the first time that they do two, and they chose gray, and it's the first time that they based their color on the previous year. 2020 was so horrible that they named the color gray, which is one of my favorite colors. So, um, they chose like they call it luminous yellow. It's like a neon yellow. They chose that to show that there is a light at the end of the tunnel. You know, the silver lining to the cloud. Hope for something better. So I decided to do those colors today. So I'm gonna do this neon yellow from Kryolan. I know people say it's Krylon, but I say Kryolan. So one of the things I've been dying to try out is my their like neon shadow collection that I bought when it was on sale. So I'm doing they call it hot instead of neon, they just call it hot. So this is their hot yellow. And I was just kind of like a bit of a warm undertone. I think I didn't have enough water or something. I'm just having a hard time uh, adhering. But I guess that's good. So I'm gonna use my S&M Urban Decay. Normally I would have worn this with black, but Pantone color is gray. My lid is matte and my contour is gray. And I'm going to use this beautiful gold color. See if that works for the highlighter. It might not. I might tone it down woozy. I am going to put some Uzi over that. Uzi is really beautiful. It's like a white with lots of glitter in it. I'm just trying to tone down that yellow, the gold color. To give that gray color more definition, because it looks silver since it's so metallic, I am gonna do a little bit of the black. So I'm just gonna dab it in there. Just put it in the inner crease because that gray is just too silvery right now. But look how much prettier the yellow goes with the black. I'm using a clean brush to blend that. I don't want too much black. I just put a drop of water on this brush so I can get this right here. I'm just gonna put it over a little bit. And while it's wet, I'm gonna pat the yellow. And then I'm just gonna use regular, black liner mascara. Finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everybody, so this is the finished look. However, I do want to play around with the lips. Yellow lipstick is not my color. I was thinking of getting like a gray pencil and outlining it. So this is the color Oozy. I don't know how this is gonna look, but I don't really like the yellow alone, so it's just crazy. You know I'm crazy. I might change it later for the pictures. But anyway, so this is the finished look. I'm supposed to get my order from Ulta this week, so I'm probably gonna do the looks next week with the new stuff. But I do want to continue the neon. So yeah. Speaking about that,